Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Landlord accounting using FreshBooks. Easy to update Landlord accounting using FreshBooks. Begin by logging into your FreshBooks account. Navigate to the dashboard to access your main menu. Select the Expenses tab from the menu options. Click on the New Expense button to input a new transaction. Fill in the details of the expense, including the date. If applicable, upload any relevant receipts or documentation associated with the expense. Once the information is entered, click Save Expense to finalize the entry. Next, go to the Invoices section to create or update any outstanding invoices. Click on the New Invoice button to start creating an invoice for rent or related fees. Enter the tenant's information, including their name and email address. Add the services provided, specifying the rent amount and any additional charges. Adjust the invoice date and payment terms as necessary. After reviewing all entries for accuracy, click Send Invoice to deliver it to your tenant. To track payments, return to the Invoices section. Update the status of any invoices that have been paid by clicking on the relevant invoice. Mark the invoice as paid and add the payment date. To generate financial reports, navigate to the Reports tab in the sidebar. Select the types of reports you wish to view, such as profit and loss or expense reports. Customize the report parameters based on your needs and click Run Report. Review the generated report for insights on your landlord accounting. For ongoing management, schedule regular updates to keep your financial records accurate. Consider using FreshBooks' recurring billing feature for consistent monthly rental payments. Close your session securely after completing all updates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.